I don't know about you, but writing emails can be so hard, especially if you're a blogger or a content creator. I shared about Google AI in my last video. You want to go watch it so it shows you how to set it up completely free. You can use this inside your Gmail account. So let me show you how to do that now. So you're gonna go to write an email just like you normally would. Now you have to make sure that you already got the Google AI, and if you haven't, you wanna go watch my video on instructions on how to do that for free. So now you're gonna go to this magical wand, I guess, and it's gonna say help me write. So you're gonna click on that. You can write, for example, write an email to my family, to my graduation party. And then you're gonna go ahead and hit create. And you can see it's creating over here. And here you have it. It has an email right here, and you can just insert it right here. And boom, you have an email done. If that was helpful, be sure to hit the follow button and follow me for more AI and ChatGPT tips.